Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My courtesy and respect to our partners, especially sa Center Officer of Glenroy Farm, Sir Forester Faisal Ahmad, Sir, Sukran po, and to the Regional Director, Ma'am Vijani Vidal, Ma'am, morning po and assalamualaikum. And to the Barangay Kapitan, Sir, Ma'am, Sukran po for joining this tree planting, and of course, to the men in uniform headed by Sir Biday. Thank you po. Sa Office of the Vice President, isa po itong programa ng opisina ng pangalawang Pangulo po, which is the Pagbabago, A Million Learners and Trees Campaign. So sa Trees Campaign po, isa po ito para po magkaroon tayo ng tree planting para ma-save natin ang Mother Earth. Gaya po sa tema ng ating activity ngayon. So, hindi ko na masyadong patagalin pa ang aking sasabihin kasi nga masyado na mainit. So, let's proceed to our tree planting, guys, and sukran for all the efforts and partnership sa OBP po. Sukran and wasalam.
Afwan.